Hey there, you've just received a substantial sum of money into your Monzo account. You're excited, but a nagging thought creeps in: can you actually withdraw this money? Hook. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of Monzo and answer the burning question: can you lift money from a Monzo account? Building context. Monzo, a popular digital bank, has gained a significant following due to its innovative features and user-friendly interface. But when it comes to withdrawing cash, does it work the same way as traditional banks? Understanding Monzo. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly recap what Monzo is. It's a mobile-first bank that offers a variety of financial services, including current accounts, savings pots, and overdrafts. Unlike traditional banks, Monzo doesn't have physical branches. Can you use an ATM? One of the most common questions about Monzo is whether you can use an ATM to withdraw cash. The short answer is yes. Monzo cards are compatible with most ATMs worldwide. You can simply insert your card, enter your PIN, and select the amount you want to withdraw. ATM fees. While you can use ATMs, it's important to be aware of potential fees. Some ATMs, especially those operated by non-Monzo banks, may charge fees for withdrawals. To avoid these fees, it's often a good idea to use ATMs affiliated with Monzo or other fee-free networks. Cashback and overdrafts. In addition to ATM withdrawals, Monzo also offers other ways to access your money. For instance, you can use cashback at participating retailers to withdraw smaller amounts of cash. If you find yourself needing more money than you have in your account, Monzo also offers overdraft facilities. However, it's important to use overdrafts responsibly to avoid incurring excessive interest charges. Monzo's app and cardless cash. One of the standout features of Monzo is its mobile app. The app allows you to manage your finances on the go, including checking your balance, making payments, and requesting a virtual card. Monzo also offers a feature called cardless cash, which allows you to generate a temporary code that you can use to withdraw money from a participating ATM without needing your physical card. Security and fraud protection. Security is a top priority for Monzo. The bank employs advanced security measures to protect your money and personal information. In case of fraud, Monzo has a robust fraud protection process in place to help you recover any lost funds. International use. If you're planning to travel abroad, Monzo is a convenient option. Your card can be used in most countries, and you'll only be charged a small foreign transaction fee. Additionally, Monzo's app allows you to set spending limits and track your expenses in foreign currency. Conclusion. So, to answer the question, yes, you can lift money from a Monzo account. Whether you prefer to use an ATM, cashback, or cardless cash, Monzo provides various options to access your funds. However, it's important to be mindful of potential fees and to use your account responsibly. End. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.